Hey everybody, my name is Johnny Young. I am a professional drummer for nearly 40 years from Central Texas in the United States. Started playing real young, doing jazz band stuff, marching band, orchestra. Currently, I am involved with 3 bands: E93, Uptown ATX, and Radio Journey, which is a Journey tribute band. And I'm also the CEO and master trainer at the Drum Training Institute based in Austin, Texas. My music career has been long and I just love doing it. I want to talk about Collision Drumsticks. I'm fairly new to Collision, but when I found these sticks, I fell in love. Currently, I use this Stealth 5A. I like the black, and I like that it's a little bit longer than a standard stick. And this size, this 5A, it can cover me whether I'm in a small club or a large ballroom, and if I'm in some of the bigger venues that I play, I'll break out this Collision 5B stick. It's a little heavier, gives me a little more power. These drumsticks, the durability. Drumsticks have a life cycle, and they go from being lively and poppy, and then over time, they will literally turn into a celery stick. And so, and these drumsticks, these Collision drumsticks, somehow last longer than other drumsticks that I've used. They just keep on ticking, gig after gig, song after song, and so I am a fan of these. Also, I like this taper. I'm a big ride cymbal bell player. I do it a lot, and these give me a nice, rich sounding ride bell when I use them on the ride. So, man, I love these sticks, and I'm going to play today one of my favorite songs to play that I just learned a couple days ago. And I just kind of play around with it. It's called Smooth Criminal by Michael Jackson. So I'm just going to have some fun with it.